Check 1, 2. Alright, welcome to my video tutorial of how to become a witness in Steemit ecosystem, Steemit Blockchain. You can become a witness in just 1 hour. Did you know that? You can use a terminal window by sudo apt update, and then you can go ahead and do sudo apt install git curl wget. That's it. And then you're gonna go ahead and clone some guy 123's steem-docker by typing the GitHub URL. So it's gonna start cloning. As soon as it does it, go ahead and use cd steem-docker to get into that folder. And go ahead and use install docker. You got plenty of time, but if you just don't want to wait and waste your time, then you can type the command line /run.sh install . As soon as it does it, you can go ahead and start downloading blocks. And by the way, it is 14 gigabytes, and it's gonna take quite amount of time. So while this is going on, I just wanna mention how did we get here and what is it. This is the terminal window of Ubuntu server, and those are the code lines that we have just used so far. So how did we get here? We get here by using PuTTY. And what is PuTTY? PuTTY is SSL connection program. It helps us to connect our Ubuntu server. And this is one of the only ways to connect your Ubuntu server. And you don't have no interface. You have just that command line. Except you have downloaded the desktop environments. If you are not familiar with this, you can go ahead and check my profile EWQ, and you can get some sort of idea of how to set up desktop environments. It'll help you use your Ubuntu server just like Windows, where you have friendly interface, Windows. And by the way, this is the page of PuTTY where you can download it, the installer. As soon as you download it, you're gonna get into that window and you're gonna type your IP address of your server. The port is 22 mostly, if you did not change it. So as soon as you hit the open button, it's gonna ask you your username. It is ROOT, as in stock settings or Ubuntu, if you haven't changed it so far. So after you download the blocks, it's gonna start decompressing the file, and it's gonna take quite amount of time. While this is going on, I just want to talk about what is witness. Witnesses are the building stones of Steemit ecosystem. Steemit cannot stay alive without witnesses. Foreigners, strangers call them miners, but they're not. They are witnesses. They are witnessing every single block that has passed in Steemit ecosystem. So after you decompress it, we're gonna get into our wallet by using remote wallet code. As soon as you type in, we're gonna start suggest bring key, and we will have to save the outcome. You're gonna copy them and paste them in a notebook. Don't lose them. Save them. You're gonna need it. As soon as you done it, we're gonna start deciding what RAM size should we be using for the server. As an example, I used 8 gigabytes, but right now Steemit has 18 gigabytes of block size, so you can't just use 8 gigabytes, or you can't just become a witness in a server where you have 16 gigabytes or 24 gigabytes of RAM. So you gonna need at least 32 gigabytes of RAM. So go ahead and get into our nano text editor and just edit just like I do if you have no idea. As you might realize, this is a playback from my old video. It was in Turkish, but the voice was not clear. So I decided by suggestions to create a new one. Hopefully you guys can hear my voice this time. And then we're gonna find our witness line and put it our Steemit username. As soon as you have done it, go ahead and find your private key that you have recently saved in your notebook. This is not the key in Steemit Wallet. In the Permissions tab, this is the key that we have just got from suggesting brain key. So after all, you're gonna use Control X to get out of that editor and type Y and then hit enter. To save it. And then we're gonna go ahead and add ports with Docker name witness. Just type as you see right here. Don't change anything if you don't know what you are doing. Control X, Y, hit enter.
and then go ahead and use that code, replay code, to start your witness server. We're gonna get our logs by typing .run.sh/logs. But before that, I just want to show you something. I just want to share something with you. This is Steem database, and if you get there, you can get your information in that page. I just want to show you something, but after editing these settings, we'll need a password, a secure password. Don't just type password like me, such a dummy act. And we will need our private active key by getting into Steemit wallet and then getting into the permissions tab, and then using the login to show button to make it visible. As soon as you log in by typing your password, you'll be able to get your private active key. Copy it, go ahead and paste it in the line where you see import key, edit the update witness line, copy your public key, and paste it in this very line. So don't just touch those settings. They're highly recommended by the top 50 witnesses. Also, it's a free country, so you can do whatever you want. You can edit as you wish, but it is not suggested. What we are gonna do is we're gonna get into our wallet and sign in as a witness by typing run.sh wallet, typing your password, set password. Now we got the password. Unlock and use your password right there. Now you're in it. Import your key, your private active key, and we're gonna sign in as witness right now by pasting update witness line that we have just recently edited. And we did it. As a proof, let's lock the wallet first and use Ctrl D and get out of your wallet. Get into the steemd.com and refresh the page. As you can see, now I have signed in as a witness. And if you follow this video tutorial, you can do the same. You can sign in as a witness. Well, it is not just that easy. You'll need a server where you will be needing probably like 32 gigabytes of RAM and like lot more things. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was my playback of my original Turkish how to become a witness in Steemit Blockchain only in 1 hour video.